In this lecture, I'll show you how to calculate price of a annual coupon bond. In other terms, we also call this as valuation of an annual coupon bond. I explain this with an example. Here is an example. That is, Jackson Corporation bonds have 12 years remaining to maturity. Interest is paid annually and bonds have par value of $1,000 and the coupon rate is 8%. The bonds have a yield to maturity of 9%. So what is the current market price? So you need to determine the current market price. Let us say price is indicated as a PO, current market price. This equals to CPN, stands for a coupon, times present value interest factor annuity plus face value times present value interest factor. We look at what are the inputs we have. So here the face value of the bond is $1,000. Then N, remaining time to mature, is 12 years. Then you have a coupon rate 8%, is 0.08. Then yield to maturity 9%, and coupons are paid periods is 1, that is coupons are paid annually, once in a year. So first we calculate the coupon amount. So your coupon amount, this equals to face value of the bond times coupon rate. So this equals to $1,000 times 0.08, this equals to $80. So $80 is the coupon payment per year. Now here this bond pays you coupons for 12 years. So that is, beginning from year 1 to 12 years, every year it makes you a coupon payment of $80. And at the end of the 12th year, along with the coupon payment of $80, the bond will repay you the face value of $1,000. So this gives you two hints. One is that the coupons are uniform and the same for all the time periods. So this gives you rise to the present value interest factor of annuity, and this is a one-time payment, so present value interest factor. That's the reason why in equation for a coupon amount, to get the present value, we use present value interest factor of annuity, and for a face value we use present value interest factor. Now how is that we are going to calculate the present value interest factor annuity and present value factor? So present value interest factor annuity, this equals to 1 upon I minus 1 upon I times 1 plus I to the power of n. So with this equation we would be able to calculate the present value interest factor annuity. Then to get the present value interest factor, 1 upon 1 plus I to the power of n. So first we solve present value interest factor annuity equation. We do it stepwise. In first step, 1 upon I. So your I here is discount rate or yield to maturity or discount rate. So your I equals to 1 upon, what is the yield to maturity? It is 0.09. So this is 0.09. This equals to 11.1111. Next, in step 2, we will calculate 1 plus I upon n. So this equals to 1.09 upon 12 years. Your n is 12 years. So this is 1.09 raised to the power of 12. So 2.8127. Then in a step 3, I times 1 plus I upon n. So this equals to 0.09 times 2.8127. This gives you 0.2531. Then in a step 4, we will take a reciprocal of this, that is 1 upon I, 1 plus I to the power of n. So this equals to 1 upon 0.2531, 3.951. Then 1 upon I, we have this value here, 11.111. Now in the step 5, we substitute all the values in the final equation. So this equals to 11.1111 minus 3.951. So 7.1601. So your present value interest factor annuity is 7.1601. Then we need to calculate present value interest factor. So this equals to 1 upon 1 plus I to the power of n. This equals to 1 upon 1 plus I to the power of n. We already calculated. Here is the value 2.8127. So 2.8127. So 0.355. So this is your present value interest factor, 0.3555. So to get the price of the bond, this equals to coupon amount times present value interest factor annuity plus face value times present value interest factor. So this equals to, your coupon is $80. Here we calculated the coupon amount. So $80 is your coupon. This times present value interest factor annuity, that is 7.1601 plus face value is $1,000 times present value interest factor, that is 0.3555. So this gives you 80 times 7.1601 plus 1000 times 0.3555. The present value of this bond, or the price of this bond, is $928.308, or you can say 31 cents. If you wish to purchase this bond as of now, then you need to pay $928.31. So this is how you need to calculate the price of a annual coupon bond. Thank you.